If you weren't feeling your best, a doctor would come right to your bedside to help you feel better. If only doctors still made house calls today. Well, good news. Thanks to Cigna Telehealth Connection, a board-certified doctor from Amwell can show up right in your living room through video chat. So you never have to get out from under the covers. Here's how you get started. Simply visit amwellforcigna.com and type in your name, email address, and a password with at least 7 characters, a mix of letters and numbers. Next, cover the basics. Enter your location, birthday, and gender, so doctors know a little more about you. Then, click Continue. Now, just enter your health plan information using your Cigna ID card. And presto, you're in! Ready to video chat with a doctor? Select the provider you like best, or just choose to see who's next available. Your doctor will need a little more information before seeing you. So, first, let's confirm who's visiting, how to reach you, and whether you'd like to add someone to your video chat. You can also let your doctor know what's bugging you, and a little bit about your medical history if you'd like. Then, choose the pharmacy where you'd like to pick up your prescriptions, if your doctor prescribes them. Finally, just fill out your payment information. Hang tight, your doctor will be with you shortly. There you have it. Oh, and there's my chicken soup from the deli down the street. Forget the old days. This sick day just keeps getting better and better.